So while I was filming, I had a couple people reach out to me and ask me how I organize the spices in my kitchen. So if that's something you want to see, just keep watching. Hi, I'm Elisa Brewer, also known as Chef EB, helping you improve your skills so that you can spend more time with your family and less time in the kitchen. So my kitchen's not actually studio ready, but I wanted to go ahead and show you some tips on how I keep organized in my kitchen. So let's go ahead and dive right in. So here is my Dollar Tree spice organization hack. So we have 2 cake tins. These are $1.25 each. Then I have a pack and a half of marbles. So this one right here has about 40 or so marbles, and then I did a half a pack. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, $5. This is a $5 organization hack. So you may have seen this before, but you literally take your cake pan. See how that's like not quite enough for it to be stable? So I add another half pack, even those around, and then we have our Lazy Susan. Now here's one that's already packed, so you can see this is all of my baking spices that I have. And now I have a perfect, very inexpensive Lazy Susan for my cabinet. And here is my spice Lazy Susan. As you see, this has all my sweet or baking spices on it, and it's easy to reach. It's on the top shelf, and I have long enough arms where it doesn't bother me. But you can put this on any shelf in any small cabinet that you have in your kitchen. Some other ways I like to actually organize my spice cabinet is I have these stanchions right here that I got for pretty inexpensive. I'll link them on Amazon, but you can find them at Bed Bath & Beyond. This is a random thing my cousin got me. But I have all of my meat, grilling, air fry, anything like that that goes as a combination on this shelf. The next shelf, as you can see, I have all my spice hack spices and then all my Trader Joe spices. So all these are seasoning blends and a couple of single seasonings and some of my favorite ones. And then as you've already seen, the top shelf, I have my baking Lazy Susan, and then I have all my spicy spices. These I rarely reach for because I'm not that big of a fan of spice, but when I am, I want to make sure I have, all the good stuff. So, and then I also have my extra pink Himalayan salt and some other special occasion blends. But that is how I organize my spice cabinet. Be sure to let me know what you thought of this tip in the comments below. Also, if there's any other areas of kitchen organization that you're interested in, I'd love to know. And I'd love to share. I'll see you next time.